I think I have discovered the AI Facebook food final boss. Because as we all know, as soon as one post takes off on these AI generated Facebook food pages, all the imitators start doing their own version of it. And that has spawned my favorite genre of AI Facebook food, and that is the Cookie Monster Freak milkshakes. And they range from passable to really bad. Number one, what is this? It looks like a burned hamburger bun. And the sprinkles remind me of chia seeds. And AI is really bad with bubbles. It's always got these exaggerated bubbles sticking to the glass. AI also never understands that you're not supposed to put the toppings on top of a lidded plastic cup. This one at least knows to put the drips on the outside of the glass because most of the time it doesn't. This one, for example, it can't really decide if the drips are on the inside of the glass or on the outside of the glass. And also, what the hell are these cookies? This one was supposed to be a Cookie Monster shake, but they just threw in a picture of some other milkshake that is also clearly AI generated. I like these like melting smiley face things they got going on. I'll give this one points for creativity because I don't think the AI understood what Cookie Monster was and just literally made a monster with cookies. The AI can never get Oreos correct. This one is like the wrong size and the wrong design. They really tried with this one. They tried, but like what the hell is this background? The sprinkles are all wrong. The glass looks like it's melting. I don't know, is this doing it for anyone? You can make a Cookie Monster milkshake. This is a real one made by a real person. The same thing from two different angles is always a great sign. And if you look at the blog, she actually has progress pictures, so you can see her making the milkshake. And the messed up thing is that looks way tastier and better than whatever the hell we have going on here.